SHOEI ends there in front of me, but welcome back to the Thailand part of the vlog, lads. This is all I've got really recorded from Thailand, so it's just kind of more POV style footage, going through the bends and twisties. So I'll pop in and out with some voiceovers, explain some things as I go, but enjoy. It pops in and out of the shade a bit, so the camera was struggling to adjust, but the roads are fantastic. As you can see, driving through some of the curves here, roads are so good, but the guide was always reminding us, you're in Asia, could be a truck coming around the corner, there's gravel on the side of the road, an animal will take you out, so just don't get complacent. Always remember to look up, go over to the left here, quick look, eyes straight back on the road again, but the views kept going and going all day like that. Another example, just about to peek around the corner here, and look at that for a view right in front of you. But again, as on the road, very dark in spots, very shaded, but just so good, especially with my dad riding right behind me, and our intercoms are connected, so really, really good lifetime memories. There's our tour guide Holger, just pulling her in to stop for a few minutes and have a look. Everyone can relate to this moment anyway. Pete going full dad mode with the sideways picture. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Again, short and snappy one. Just trying to highlight the roads, trying to highlight how cool it is. Hoping to get a bit better. Trying to take some inspiration from Adam Reedman or Motorology over here in Australia. So stay tuned for more, and I've got some Pyrenees content coming too.